Hello, now I show you how to set up a campaign in PeerClick. After we logged in, we see the following interface: navigation section with tabs and settings section. Click on the bell. We see all the important events and alerts on the system, failures, updates, as well as the history of uploading reports. By clicking on the book, see Live Chat, Tickets on Online Chat, and Documentation. By clicking on the figure, Profile, Personal Data Settings section, Settings, a large block of detailed system settings, and Logout. Let's start with the addition of affiliate network. Click plus. A window appears where we add a trusted affiliate network. Look for the right one and click Add. Then click to create. Create an offer. To do this, go to the appropriate tab and click plus. Follow the steps that the system requires. First of all, we give the name. As you understood from the previous step, we added Adcom affiliate network. According to this, we use it in our example. And then take the link to the offer in the previously announced affiliate network. To do this, go to the appropriate section and select any offer we like. Copy the link and add it in our system. Go ahead. Select your tag. This function serves to structure your offerings of companies, etc. According to the functionality, it is very similar to groups and promotes for grouping and fast navigation. Accordingly, you can divide your offers by verticals, date of creation, and other parameters. User section. This functionality is available on the premium billing plans of our tracker and gives the access to an offer or company to your users. It is quite simple to control the access. For this, we add a sub-user and open access by switching sliders, full access or only reading. Be sure to choose the affiliate network, which was previously added at the first step. We chose and noticed that some changes were made. A click ID macro was added to the offer. This is necessary in order PeerClick sends a unique click ID to the affiliate network, and the affiliate network can return the necessary data with the postback, status, payout, etc. Geo. We choose the country where our offer is distributed. Please pay attention. This section is informative. So we went to the postback setup, which needs to be copied and added on the affiliate side. Go to the appropriate section of the affiliate network and put the postback. Payments. If the affiliate network can transfer payout automatically, set it on auto. In other case, please set it manually. If you have a limit of leads for this offer, then simply click on this trigger cap. Enter the value of the limit. Select the time zone and the offer for which will redirect traffic when you exceed the leads. Be sure to save it after the settings. Add a landing page. If it is necessary, give the name, paste the link to the landing page, enter the tags, give access to your sub-users. If required, add the group. Please pay attention, you need to place the link redirection to the offer in the code of your landing page instead of all old links to offer. If you use several offers on your pre-landing page, you need to use the second link and instead of N, add the order number of the offer, according to the list of campaign adding, from up to down. The first offer to the campaign, its order number is 1, the second offer is 2, etc. Add traffic source. As before, click the button plus and select needed one from the list of trusted resources. Let it be Propeller Ads. Find it. Click Add. Please pay attention that all the macros were added automatically, as well as the postback link. We need to turn it on. Mark the checkbox. Next, we see the checkbox for sending only unique clicks that we can use. The rest of the checkboxes should always be marked. As in the previous steps, you can open access to your sub-users to the traffic source. Save all settings. Now proceed to the final step, the creation of the campaign. Go into the Needed tab. As you probably guessed, click the plus button and proceed to Setup. The options of the campaign are quite large, and we talk about them in the following videos. We set up the most necessary ones. First of all, it is the name, traffic source, which was added earlier in previous steps. If we use landing page, we add it. We see the list of earlier created landing pages. Be sure to choose the offer. The campaign is not saved without it. If we do not use the landing page, then mark the checkbox Direct Link. After that, we click Create and copy the advertising link, which we place in your traffic sources later. Thank you for your attention. Following these simple 5 steps, you will surely succeed. All the best!